Well, we are back at the Gaylord Palm for ice here on Highway 192 in Kissimmee. And this year it is featuring Dr. Seuss's How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Oh, upon entering this hotel, it is rather chilly, but that doesn't mean a thing because we are going into some freezing cold rooms tonight here for ice. Hi everybody and welcome to the world of Micah. Kicking off December 1st when you guys are gonna see this video here at Gaylord Palms in Kissimmee at ice. You're gonna get tag along. Now, let's take a closer look. And I have so many friends who are meeting up with me tonight. It's gonna be a lot of fun spending some time with my friends and videoing this and showing you guys everything. I'm kind of in a hurry here. Okay, thank goodness we're going the right direction. All right, it's this way. Oh my goodness, right past this, we are entering into a winter wonderland. And our reservation was at 7:30, and look at that, right on time. Here we go. Heading in to where we get our jackets. Ooh, look at the projections on the ground here. All right, get in line. Be nice to the ice. Thank you for not licking or sitting on the ice. Well, Flick would be happy about this rule right here. They do have chunks of ice that you can check out yourself. It's pretty cold, right, Ed?
It's very cold.
We're all like, ooh, cold.
Cold.
What an interesting thing. All right, we gotta remember to be nice to the ice. Wow, extreme temperatures, man. We just stepped into this place. And I'm so excited, but it's so cold. Like I said, How the Grinch Stole Christmas is the theme. Oh, we are going inside a real life igloo. I've never been inside an igloo. Mike, you're in an igloo. Nice shirt, pal.
Thank you.
Look at this. Look at this, it's the Grinch.
Is that your house?
That is my house.
Okay, it is freezing in here, but look at the little town of Whoville. Look at these little Who's houses. I love this. This is incredible. Look at that. Oh, all the Who's. All right, word of warning. If you're doing this, bring your own gloves and bring your own scarf or anything because your face will get so cold. Look at Mr. Grinch here. I keep forgetting all of this is made out of ice. It looks like bars of soap. Santa Grinch here and Max. Look at this. Oh, it's so good. The Grinch is going down his very first stop down the chimney to steal Christmas. And all the little Who's are nice and maybe warm. I'm hoping they're warm. Or they're in some deep like hypothermia sleep right now. Look at that, he went right down the chimney to steal everyone's Christmas. All the boxes and packages and bags and everything. And yes, there is an ice slide once again. Look at this. It goes pretty fast. And yeah, it's completely made out of ice. You will fly down this. And here's all the goodies that the Grinch gathered with Max. Because they're heading back up to Mount Crumpet. Fahoo Forays! They're all singing Fahoo. Look at that. And look whose heart is growing. It's the Grinch. Even Max is concerned about the Grinch's heart. They are in production right now creating, I see like a Grinch hand right there. How cool is that? That's how they do it. Oh look, he's chiseling away. That is amazing. Look at Max, decked out. But they invited the Grinch to stay with them and even eat roast beast. Isn't that amazing? All the Who's down in Whoville. Even had some Who pudding.
Who pudding is a delicacy in Whoville.
Is it a delicacy?
Oh yes, I heard it's very delicious.
So it's something you pass along Who pudding, a delicacy.
Right? Yeah. Just like the who hash.
That's it.
This is good.
There's only one can left.
Did you stop on the way and get some more who hash?
By the way, it's nice and chilly in here. Really, it's comfortable. Oh, I knew I was forgetting someone. Little Cindy Lou Who. We've made it to the end. This looks like something out of Edward Scissorhands in here. It's actually a nativity scene, but I was looking at this angel. It looks like the size that Edward was making. Look, it's insulated and everything, but we made it back. Oh, my camera is all foggy. So since it was so cold, my camera is literally defrosting right now, so I'm gonna use it the phone. And we're gonna grab some hot cocoa here at Snowy's. Hot cocoa acquired, and looking at some of this merchandise they have. Some ornaments. A lot of ice specific merchandise this year. Even Ice and the Grinch. Now wait a minute, aren't these guys supposed to be on a shelf? Now this is the Alpine sweet shop, and in here I believe you make your own gingerbread house. There's all kinds of stuff that you can add on to your experience here at Gaylord. So many different workshops here. So many things. I'm gonna actually give you guys a QR code so you guys can get your own tickets. Well, it took a second for it to de-thaw, but I'm back on the camera. Sorry about that. That was so much fun though. Ice was incredible. I'm gonna mosey around the Gaylord and show you guys a little bit more of what's going on. Oh, Mrs. Claus meets in here. They have Santa and Mrs. Claus meeting here at the Gaylord. Now it is closed off right now. We were one of the last guests, but this is where they had the snow tubing and everything here at the snow factory. You can do the snow flow mountain here. See if I can get a glimpse of this mountain right through those trees. There it is. You see the lights on there in the distance. Pause your video and you guys can see everything that's located here for Christmas at Gaylord Palms. Well, since Christmas at Gaylord is closed, we're gonna wander around the resort and see what else is going on here. Yeah, there's a show happening right over here. And there's all kinds of trees out here. I've walked through here in years past. I know there's baby gators somewhere around in here. And right over here is Gator Springs. See, I knew there were gators here. Where are you, gators? Oh, I see it. See those gators? Oh, look, right here. They're warming up. I don't think these guys would do well in ice. Coming here year after year, it's amazing. Just the perfect way to get into the spirit, hang out with friends, and it's just awesome. It's a really cool resort too. Very, very pretty resort at that. Stepped inside this little fort they have, and would you look at the lights in the tree? Wow. I hope it looks as good on camera as it does in person. Probably not. This is dazzling, spectacular. Wow. It's going along with the show, the music and everything. But that is quite a sight. And we just stepped upstairs. We're down here. But we figured this out. Yeah, that's great. Everyone come outside and look at the lights. Feel like Clark Griswold just turned everything on. Wow. Yes, pretty awesome. The view up here is pretty spectacular. I didn't know you had full range of all of this here. I'm gonna go here. Look at this lights display, it's huge. I'm gonna get a closer look at this tree. Wow, look at that. Okay, now that the show is over, they've got like a full light display going on here. Even the tree is changing with the music. This is neat. You can just hang out up here and watch the lights. I don't even care if I hear the music. Yeah, everything's changing. Let's see if it kicks back on. Oh yeah, look, whoa! It's saying something up here. What does that say? Twinkle, spelling out something here. Looks like it's snowing. Whoa, is that Santa? That is Santa Claus. Just went along, that's amazing. What a fun night. Yeah, check the website. Make sure you guys check this out for the holiday season 2022. Everything for the whole family. I had a blast. I really did. This was a lot of fun. Well, we came, we saw, we took care of business this evening here at the Gaylord Palms Ice. I had a lot of fun seeing the story of Dr. Seuss's How the Grinch Stole Christmas and getting some hot cocoa, spending some time with friends. It's a good way to welcome December. The holidays are right around the corner. But I think we took care of business today and it's time to say goodbye. But I will see you guys on the next adventure. For more information on this, down below is a link. Check it out. If you come, tell them I sent you. See you guys on the next adventure. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.